What a glorious morning on the farm. Let's get to it, my friends. The day is full of promise. Look at my beautiful farm. The animals are so happy, and this bag of gold is just the beginning. Hold on tight, everyone. What a beautiful day. Hee hee, hold on tight, everyone. What a beautiful day for a run. Beautiful day, ain't it? It is. The animals look happy. Come on, let's get this feed to the coop. Right behind you. All right, son. Time to feed the flock.
Okay, here you go.
Good boy. That's it. Hey, time to snag some hay. Hey, it's the buzz. These chickens are on the move. Aye, they're lively today. This broom's got them dancing. Almost done with this post, son.
It's looking great, Dad.
Good work. High five.
Hey, high five.